Hi there, friends. Today, we're diving into the world of medical procedures. Specifically, we're going to be discussing a commonly used medical procedure known as stitches. Stitches, also known as sutures or staples, are a way for medical professionals to close wounds. Whether you've had a minor cut or a more serious injury, stitches can help reduce the risk of infection and promote healing. Now, let's talk about how they work. A doctor will clean the area and numb it to prevent pain. The doctor will then begin placing the sutures or staples in place. These can be either dissolvable or non-dissolvable, depending on the situation. If they are dissolvable, they will eventually fade away on their own. If not, you might need to return to your doctor for removal. It's important to remember that after receiving stitches or staples, you should keep the area clean and covered with gauze until it heals properly. And don't worry, you won't have a scar if you wait for the stitches or staples to dissolve before removing them. That's it for today's topic. I hope this information has been helpful and interesting for you. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more informative content like this one. Until next time, stay safe and healthy.